Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. If you remember, and I will link it up here, about a week ago, we did a review on a wireless lavalier lapel microphone. It was one of those Amazon suggested, Amazon specials, and we tested it in the house, and it seemed pretty good. Sound quality was decent, and it got some good reviews. So we went ahead and we made our first video with it, and we found out that it stinks. And I've packaged it back up, and we are sending it back to Amazon because the reception is horrible. It was great up close in this situation right here. There was no interference, not a lot of background noise. Caught my voice, but didn't catch a lot of the other stuff going on, like my wife cooking, my son doing stuff, the dogs chasing each other around. A lot of that was muffled, and you heard me, which is what we were looking for. But when we went outside, we realized that it kept losing communication from transmitter to receiver. I had the transmitter clipped on my belt, and as I would turn and demonstrate something, the audio then got choppy because it kept losing communications. I'll put a link to that video here if you want to check out what happened, and we weren't out long distances. The farthest distance the camera was about 15 feet away, and most of the time I was within 6 or 8 feet of the camera. So if it was a good mic, it should have been working properly. So we're going to give this one right here, and the thumbnail for this video will be the photo that you'll see on Amazon when it comes up and you search for one. Don't buy it. It stinks. We're sending it back. So that's all we got for tonight. We just wanted to give you a quick update on this crap that we're sending back to Amazon. Thanks for watching.